Ito sa mga magiging pinakamalaking concert nito. So, how does it set apart from the
May press con
ano yung
po.
magiging kaibahan nito sa as far as your performance at yung repertoire nyo compared to sa ibang boy band na nag-perform na sa maraming tao?
Hello, Sir Nolly. Sir Nolly po. Thank you so much for the wonderful question. I think what sets our performance in the music museum apart from other boy bands na nagpe-perform rin po is we bring the different personalities of each member. And syempre kasama po namin sila Miss Marian and Miss Yancy sa performance po namin. And we expect it to become a good combination of different flavors po that we will show different sides of Cloud7. A few of the nostalgic side po, because syempre, our fans like to see like, oh my gosh, that's the old Cloud7, I miss them. Pero syempre, hindi dapat laging old. Meron rin dapat bago na ipapakita ang Cloud7 po. So, ayun po.
Kay Sir Richard naman, so, ano yung naging point niya para pinaka-core point na bakit sinuportahan nyo itong first major concert ng Cloud7 kasama si
I love Phil's because I always discover naman ng mga teenager. So, nakita ko yung potential nila. Future, one of the best P-pop of the Philippines, and then with Nancy and Marian. So, what I really wanted lang sana is para may iba lang yung concert, yung may beneficiary din, para meron bang katuturan din yung hindi lang yung puro glamour. So, I wanted din na magkaroon ng mga charity activities para at their young age, you will know how to share because you will never go wrong with kindness.
Okay, and for Marian naman, okay, you shifted from pageantry to showbiz, So, I heard na parang gusto mong maging singer-dancer, no? So, among our popular singer-dancer, kaninang pageant gusto mong sundan?
I think it would be Miss Sarah Geronimo po, because she is a very outstanding performer, and at the same time, she has this personality that will make people really love her. She has this very phenomenal dancing and singing. However, she also has this talent of acting po. So I want to be someone like her.
And for yan, invite mo lahat ng inyong followers and supporters sa inyong forthcoming concert.
So yun, hello po, magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. So I would like to invite you all sa upcoming concert namin with Cloud7 and with my best friend Marian Bernardo on February 28, 7 p.m. So manood kayo lahat kasi this is not just any concert, this is a charity for those who in need of help, especially the children with illness.
Wow. Okay, best of luck to you, guys.
Thank you
See you
po.
there.
Thank you po.
Ask ko lang po si Marian. Marian, ibig sabihin ba nung pagpasok mo dito din sa ganitong field ng entertainment is yung journey mo sa pageantry mahihinto na? Ano ba yung future plans mo pa? And we heard that you have ginagawa na yung kauna-unahan mong pelikula.
Right now po, I really am focusing on the showbiz industry po. So I am planning to go back to pageantry when I am older and when I am ready to have a bigger platform po. But right now, I am trying to explore my passion and my dreams po. Ever since I was a child, I really wanted to be seen on television and perform for a lot of people. So right now, I am focusing on this.
Yanzi, paano ka nag-start sa industriya?
I was invited by Mr. Richard Peñala po, sa kanya po ako nag-start. And nag-start po ako sa mga interviews ng mga nabigay po ng award sa akin. Then, na-discover po ako ng mga directors and nagawa din po ako ng movie with Marian po.
Kasama sa ako si
Yes,
Kindness.
ako si Kindness.
Anong participation na role mo?
Ano po, supporting character po ako. And ako po yung parang kontrabida kay Kindness.
Sir Richard, may expected output na po ba for the movie? O at saan po siya ipapalabas? Streaming po ba? Or sa cinema?
Social media. So there will be parang TV series and then nagkaroon din siya ng theatrical. And then we were going to roam around different colleges and barangays sa LGU. So very happy and I'm very, very overwhelmed with my producer's support. Kasi alam niyo naman po ngayon, mahirap talaga mag-produce. Karamihan talaga ng pelikula na flop. So iniba namin yung campaign para magkaroon ng mas magandang exposure. At the same time, it's an advocacy film. So magandang exposure at yung producer hindi nadadala. Kasi ang hirap po na mag-produce ng pelikula na ang lalaki tapos first day, last day. So ang dami ko na rin po nakikita na ang lalaki ng mga ginagastos, wala namang kinikita. So, mas maganda po talaga gumawa ng pelikula, advocacy film, kasi maraming outlet, maraming magandang pwedeng labasan ng pelikula, lalo na may katuturan ng pelikula.
For The Voice po, very topic naman talaga yung concert ninyo, pero gusto ko lang kumuha ng perspective at idea sa inyo. Kasi uso na ngayon nagbabiral sa social media yung mga kabataan, iba na ngayon daw yung panahon, nagsasaksakan, tapos mga karumbado. Ano ba yung insight nyo dito sa mga ganyang pangyayari sa community natin?
Para po sa amin, everybody had a different path or different way of growing up naman po. And maybe those type of people, those types of kids po, hindi po sila nag-guide ng maayos. Pero hindi pa naman po end of the world, hindi pa naman to katapusan. Pwede pa po mabago yung past nila or pwede pa po sila matulungan. And as Cloud7, isa po sa goal namin is mag-inspire po, lalo na sa mga kabataan ngayon is ini-inspire po namin sila upang kunin lang po nila yung dreams nila. Like, pagbutihan po nila yung pag-aaral nila and para maiwasan rin po yung mga ganong scenario tulad po na sinabi niyo po. And kami po, natutuwa po kami kasi madaming sumusuporta and humahanga po sa amin.
Thank you.
Thank you po.